So hi guys, welcome back to another video of Hair's Help. And after a long time I've done another video with a voice because it seems easier. So the first step, as you've seen in the title, it's getting an icon. So for an icon, obviously you need an image. So in the photos, I've already added some images which I got from a pack online, and it has pixel arts. So I'll show you that I already have put the Insta and the Facebook logo, or the Instagram and the Facebook logo, and then I'll be putting the mail and the phone logo today to show you for the demo or the walkthrough. So here I have the Facebook and the Instagram logo, and it seems pretty nice, but it can be anyone. You can edit it by yourself. You can get a pack online, you can download an image, it can be anything. So the first step, the really first step, is there's this new app called Shortcuts on iOS 14. They've introduced it newly, so you just press Shortcuts, and then see here, I got for Facebook, and I got for phone, and I got for mail. But for the mail, I'm just going to delete it for now, so then I can show you how it is. So let's just delete this, and let's just delete for the phone. I'm going to show you. So you press the plus icon on the top right corner. Once you press that, you got the add action, and then when you press that, you got this algebraic X sign, or known as scripting. Once you press the scripting, you have to choose which function does it do. So for us, we need a simple function which is open the app, and then when you press open the app, you have to choose which app you have to open. So in this case, I have chosen phone. So once I press on phone, I'm just gonna go next, and then you have to choose a name for phone. So you can just choose phone if you want it to be same as the previous logo, but you can change it by yourself because it's a shortcut, but I prefer to keep it the original name. Once you got phone here, so you get these three-lit dot on the top. So once you press these dots, then if you press the dots again, and then you get this option to add it to home screen. So once you press this option, you're gonna get this purple logo on the bottom, which is home screen, name, and icon. So once you press on this icon, it gives some options. So you just press choose photo, and here I've got this photo for the phone app, and I'm gonna just choose that, and it's this now. So I'm gonna press add, and then it's added to the home screen. Then I press done, and then I press done, and then I go to home screen. So I got my phone app right here, and it looks pretty great because I really like pixel art, and it's great. So I got it here, but you've been seeing this issue that I have another phone app, and then this apps are going to be mixed up with the original one. So the best way to do this is you have to go on and remove the app, but you don't have to delete it. You have to just remove it from the home screen, but it's still going to be in your app library in future if you permanently want to delete it. Like the phones app, you cannot, but if you want to delete any other app which is secondary, you can just do it by here. See, now I have my phones app here. This is the original one, but then that's a shortcut. So I have this, and it performs the same thing. It performs the same option. It just says the phone shortcut on the top, but this is really good. I get this logo, and then as well as I get the same function. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and it really helps me out a lot. And if you like this video, or if you have any other ideas you want to recommend me, you can just write in the comment section. I'll be really glad to help you, and it will give me more content. And guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in my next video.